Hello everyone, welcome to today's video presentation on a topic that affects every single one of us, climate change. I'm Cedric Montepalcon, and in this video we're going to explore what climate change is, why it's important to discuss, and the key causes to it. So buckle up and let's dive in. So what exactly is climate change? Climate change refers to a long-term shifts in weather patterns and global temperatures, primarily caused by human activities. It's important to understand that climate change isn't just passing trend. It's a fundamental alternation of the Earth's climate system that impacts our environment, economy, and society. To effectively tackle climate change, we need to identify its causes. So the first one would be the greenhouse gas emission. The main driver of climate change is the increased concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. The two significant contributors to greenhouse gas emission are fossil fuels and deforestation. So the fossil fuels, what is the fossil fuels? It is the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These emissions come from various sources like power plants, vehicles, and industrial activities. Over time, the accumulation of carbon dioxide leads to the greenhouse effect and global warming. So the second one is the deforestation. Another major contributor to climate change is deforestation, primarily driven by human activities. When forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, or urbanization, it releases stored carbon dioxide and reduces the Earth's capacity to absorb CO2 or carbon dioxide. This loss of carbon sinks intensify the greenhouse effect. So there are other factors that affects the climate change. First one would be the agriculture. While greenhouse gas emission play a significant role, other factors also contribute to climate change. One such as agriculture, particularly livestock farming and the use of synthetic fertilizer. These practices release methane and nitrous oxide, contributing to global warming. Fourth one would be the land use changes. Land use changes, such as urban expansion and the other conversion of natural habits, also have a significant effect on the climate. This change disrupt ecosystem, reduce carbon sequestration, and contribute to the loss of biodiversity. Alright, the next part will be the presentation will be presented by my partner, Yuniel Oquias.
Our topic revolves around the impact of climate change, which have far-reaching consequences. Let's begin with rising temperature. Rising temperatures contribute to the occurrence of heat waves. Heat waves are prolonged periods of abnormally high temperatures that can cause significant health risks. The next is droughts. Droughts become more frequent and severe due to rising temperatures. This prolonged period of minimal rainfall lead to water scarcity, affecting agriculture, ecosystem, and communities. Extreme weather events. Rising temperatures are just one aspect of climate change. Extreme weather events are also becoming more frequent and intense. This is the example of these events and their impacts. Number one is hurricanes. Climate change contributes to the intensification of hurricanes. Warmer ocean temperatures provide more energy for hurricanes to form and strengthen. Number two is floods. Climate change plays a role in the occurrence of flood as well. Rising temperatures contribute to increased evaporation, leading to more moisture in the atmosphere. This combined with changing precipitation patterns result in heavier rainfall and higher risk of flooding. Floods can cause immense damage to infrastructure, homes, and ecosystems, displacing communities and endangering lives. The next is environmental change. Number 1. Melting ice caps. Climate change is causing the alarming and rapid melting of ice caps across the globe. The rising temperature are causing glaciers and polar ice caps to shrink at an unprecedented rate. The next is solution to climate change. Number 1. Mitigation. Mitigation is key to addressing climate change. One powerful solution is embracing renewable energy resources, transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, can significantly reduce greenhouse gases emission. Number 2. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency plays a crucial role in our mitigation efforts. By optimizing energy consumption and adopting energy efficient technologies, we can make substantial impact in reducing our carbon footprint. To protect our world, we must ensure that we and others take the proper precaution to prevent the daring consequences of climate change. That is our presentation of climate change. Thank you.